If you come to YouTube now and search for affiliate marketing, look at different keywords we can use here. Affiliate marketing for beginners, affiliate marketing dude, affiliate marketing for beginners 2024, affiliate marketing full course, and so on like that. Affiliate marketing tutorial, right? Okay, let me just click on any one of these. Let's say, okay, affiliate marketing tutorial, right? Now look at different results I'm getting from here. Look at it. Just be checking through. There's something I want to bring out from these guys. It's just to help you guys. It's just to help you, because I have fallen into many challenges using some of the content, some of the information I'm getting from here, and that is why I'm making this video for you guys, so that you will not repeat the same mistake. Now, checking through some of these things now, you see that they are making almost the same content, almost the same information, just twisting some little things there, and that is why you hardly see anyone that will do affiliate marketing and make money. Now you can see it now. You see different YouTubers creating content on affiliate market, different information, but let me not deceive you, they are almost the same content, the same information there. If truly you can make money with affiliate marketing like that, I believe many of you will not even bother to watch this video, because already you have been making your money. Am I lying? If truly watching all those videos will help you to make money in affiliate marketing, right? Many of you will not even watch this video. You will say, what did this guy want to teach me? I know about this, and I've already been making money. And another thing is, even if you go to Facebook and other places like that, you will see different courses. Go to online and you see different courses on how to run affiliate marketing and make money successfully. But everything a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. People are not telling you the real truth behind the affiliate marketing and how to make money from affiliate marketing. And that is why I'm making this video for you. This video is just different. I want to train you guys step-by-step guide based on my own personal experience. Maybe I don't tell you, and I want you to know now that years back I've been struggling with affiliate marketing, on how to make money on affiliate marketing. I have watched series of videos on YouTube, but it's just so unfortunate that most of those information given there are just for to watch the video sake, just to watch the video sake. It's not real information on how to make money online, and it's also unfortunate again that many of themselves are not making money from affiliate market, and they are just recycling the information there. So that's why I'm making this video. I need to tell you these things so as to prepare your mind about what you're about to get from this video, and that is why you need to give me your full attention by watching this video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part of this, because you may not get something like this elsewhere. All right, if you are watching me from Facebook, make sure you follow this page, make sure you give me a like on this video, and drop your comment and share this video so that others can also benefit from this. And if you are watching me from YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a like on this video, drop your comment and share this video. Now, how can we run affiliate marketing successful? Forget about content you are watching. This is about reality now. How? Enough of the money you have spent on different masterclass, come and enroll for this, some pay up to 30,000-40,000 naira to learn affiliate marketing. Up to now, they have not made a substantial amount of money from it. Even some have never made any amount of money. You have watched several YouTube videos and tired, and you are like, is this real that they can make money from affiliate? Yeah, it's real. It's real. And I want to show you now how to do that. Then first, let me tell you one secret about successful affiliate market. Maybe you have been seeing some people that are making money. They will even show you their dashboard about how they make money with affiliate marketing. They make $1,000, they make $500 or something dollars. They different stories like that. But let me tell you the real truth. No one among them will tell you how they did it and make it the right way they did it and make it. If anyone will even tell you at all, you may likely not want to even listen or follow up the strategy he or she is using to get that figure. The plain truth behind it is many of these people are able to achieve this by paid method. They don't use free method, and that is why I want to let you know that affiliate marketing, either you have money or you don't have money, you can make money with affiliate market, right? But many of these people you are seeing, they make this happen through paid method. They pay. In business, you just have to pay in order to get what you want. You understand? Let's say you see figure of someone that do affiliate marketing and make up to $4,000 or something like that. That money you see that make up to $4,000, that person probably spend in order to get it. They spend maybe probably like $1,000+ $500+, but they may not tell you. That is just the secret. They may not tell you. Now with this video now, if they tell you, that's why I said that even if they told you about this now, you may not have interest because you don't have financial capacity to do it. Now I want to show you how how to run affiliate marketing the surest way to run affiliate market without having any amount of money. You don't have any amount of money, you want to do affiliate market, this video is for you, and that is why you need to give me your full attention to watch this video, how to do affiliate marketing without paying any amount of money and get results you want. So now that is what I want to show you now, and this result you will get is not fast. It's not fast. That's the difference. People that pay to do this, they can get their results very fast. If within 24 hours they will get their results. It depends on the amount of money they put into this. I'll still going there for people that have money to do that, but let's start from people that don't have money at all, how they can do affiliate marketing and make money. That is where I want us to start from. Then by the time you have been making some money, you can now use that money also to do a promotion for affiliate marketing, so that you can make more money within short period of time. This method I will give you now is not fast. You can get results within a day, but the figure will not be like how you want it, maybe 1,000 or something like that. No, but steady income. Like at least I'm making money from affiliate market. That's what I want to show you now. Now the first thing I want you to do is, before you can start affiliate marketing, the first thing that's very, very important, you need a place you want to promote the affiliate market, affiliate offer. Where do you want to promote the affiliate offer is very, very important, and that's where many people usually have problem. I have started, so make sure you jot it down. The first thing very important is, where will you do your promotion? Now, number one, you can do your promotion through a blog. That is one. Two, you can do your promotion through YouTube channel or maybe other social media like TikTok or the rest. Now, which one do you have at hand? You need to go and work on that. If you want to do affiliate market and you don't want story that touch, one, go and prepare it. If it's blog you want to be using, very, very important, go and have your website and be posting some little things there so that other people can trip in. I'm going to be making video on some of this thing I'm talking about. I'm just using this video to prepare your mind so that by the time I'm showing you this thing, it's going to be profitable for you. I don't like situation whereby I'll be making video and you'll be seeing it like the rest of the video you have been watching on YouTube. No, this one is different. It's just, you can see that I'm not pressing laptop showing you. It's just direct information you don't pay for. All these things I'm saying are worth thousands of dollars, because many of you have been struggling online years and you have not gotten it now. That's why I'm telling you this information now. So go and work it. You see the blog you want to use, maybe website, go and have a good website. A good website, I still repeat. And the website you will use is going to be like sheidaro.com. So that it's going to be a general website, like it's not for Nigeria. You know, there are some websites whereby you have sheidaro.com.ng. I will not advise you to use this one, because we want to do affiliate market and we are not targeting Nigerian. We are targeting people from the top tier countries like US, UK, Canada and the like. And most of these people, once they see .ng, they will say, this is Nigeria or something. They'll be afraid to even go. So you want to be neutral so that you can access everything. Even if possible, I don't want you to use your name. I don't want you to use it. Use keyword name based on the kind of services you are doing. I'm still going there. All these things I will train you about it, but not in this video. I'll be making it. Then, like now, the rest of the video I want to be making for now is about how to be successful in affiliate market. Right now, let's say you now have your blog now. Be posting on this blog and make sure you are sharing your post so that at least you are seeing some traffic to the blog. Let's not say you don't have money to create your blog. You don't have money to create blog or to do all those things. Now you can use Medium. Medium.com does not request any money for you. It's free. You can be posting on Medium. Just try to optimize your content. I'm still going to all those things. I'll be making video because this is my case study now for you. So make sure, just know that I'll be treating this thing for you to make sure you grab. So Medium, you will not pay any amount of money, and Medium can stand as your own blog or website. Do you get it now? That is 2. 3, on TikTok, you can create a good page on TikTok where you can be using to do some kind of training about this there in your talk. It's very, very okay. Very, very okay, and it's converting if you can make use of TikTok. That's 3. 4, all these Facebook things, Facebook, Instagram, they are okay. But let me tell you the one that will help you to have quick conversion out of everything I'm saying is YouTube. Hey, YouTube, you can start affiliate marketing with 0 subscribers and make money. That is YouTube for you. All right, so that is the secret I want to give you now. So after everything, now YouTube, you can use YouTube. Even if I would advise you, I would say stay on YouTube. Now on YouTube, you can create a YouTube channel. Let me show you. Maybe I'll put it around here for you on how to master YouTube, or maybe at the end of this video I'm going to give you a link to go and watch master YouTube, so that by the time I will make my next video, probably tomorrow, you will have already have your own YouTube channel. If you want to make money on affiliate marketing, the secret, the simplest means of making money is to ensure that you have your YouTube channel, because it's very easy to be ranked on YouTube even with 0 subscriber. YouTube and TikTok, they are very easy to be ranked even if you have 0 subscriber. Just try to optimize your content. That's all. I will treat all this one for you. This video is just to prepare your mind and know some kind of things to get prepared, so that every time I make video it will be profitable for you. So now make sure you have your YouTube ready. That your YouTube, if you watch the video I said I will put at the end of this, to go and watch on YouTube, you will have know how to brand your channel based on what you want, niche you want to be promoting online. Honestly, I will tell you the facts. YouTube is one of the best place you can do promotion, affiliate marketing especially, and be making money steadily. And good thing about YouTube is you can have multiple YouTube accounts. Like me now, this is not the only YouTube account I have. You understand? I have multiple YouTube accounts for different purposes. Many of you even don't know. They can't, because you will not see my name there. That Sheidairu. Okay, there is one that I have my Sheidairu TV. I've not been serious with that. So it's something, and you don't need to show your face. You don't need to show your face. You can do faceless. Then the next thing you do now is you'll be teaching people about certain affiliate things you want to be promoting. Okay, let's say now you want to do when you go to affiliate marketing offer. Let me show you one of the affiliate offer now. Okay, let's say we want to use Flex offer now. Flex offer is one of the affiliate network, right? See, this is what I want to show you. There are many things. It depends on that your YouTube channel you created now. Now this will determine things you want to be promoting on that YouTube. Don't mix everything. Stay on a particular category. Is it based on automotive now? So based on automotive now, see car buying and selling, car loans, car rentals, driver. So based on this now, this type of thing, you can create a YouTube channel, be talking about this there. That is one thing. But I will advise people to go for anything. But me, I just like this online services, because they have a lot of money you can make from this, and it's highly converting. And some of this they have recurrent commission. So look at this one, affiliate marketing, internet services, VPN, web hosting and servers. So let's say this is the aspect you want to be talking about now. There's a web hosting and servers. You can be teaching people. If it's about web hosting and server, there is money in this aspect. The kind of money that you have in this aspect is the kind of money whereby you may not do anything again, right? And the money will continuously coming to you by that's what we call recurring commission. That is, someone use your affiliate link now to buy anything on the website now, and you'll be making money continuously as far as that person is still using it. They use your link once and you'll be making more. The affiliate marketer be making money continuously on that person. So all these online services, they are very profitable, and I will advise anyone. I will not even advise, but because it depends. So how will you now do this now? Let's say you have interest in all this online service. What you would do is you can go to YouTube then search about it now. Let's say web hosting and services, just like the one you see now, web hosting and services. When you search on it now, you see different video on web hosting and services which content creator have already made. You can watch one of the video. When you watch, you start this place, how this person training about this. Then they will talk about particular things. When they train, at the end they will tell you about particular affiliate offer, and they will let you know that if you want to use this now, and if you use if you want to use this thing I'm talking about, you already trained them about it. Now if you want to use it now, you can go to the description or the pinned comment, then click on the link. That's affiliate link, and if you use the affiliate link, you will have let me say 50% discount, which is true. That's one of the advantage of using affiliate link. If you use affiliate link to buy anything, they may give you discount. It depends on this affiliate marketer, if you use the one that have a coupon or discount on. You understand? So before people will use your affiliate link, train them first about it. Okay, let me use my own life as a practical for you, because this is just to educate you guys. Please I believe I'm not wasting your time. We are learning. Why? Let me tell you something. When I started my YouTube channel, I started with e-commerce. e-commerce. E-commerce was what I started with, and the conversion I've been having, my audience, they are audience of e-commerce. I mean, majority of my audience, like let me say like 70% of my audience, then it was 100%. Then when I started, 100% they are audience of e-commerce, because I started with e-commerce. I have been putting some SEO ranking things about e-commerce, so my channel was full of was fully optimized with keyword and many other things about e-commerce. So many of my people are into e-commerce. That is what because I started about affiliate marketing later, but I see that people don't have interest like e-commerce they know me with, because the audience I gathered in my channel were audience of e-commerce. You are not into e-commerce, you can start your own channel and let it be about online services, affiliate marketing offer, and many other things like that. This is where you will see your own audience about this service. If you drop ordinary pencil, I'm just using as an example, it's just a sample, anything you say like this related to that service, they will respect it, because you have the right audience for what you are promoting. I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about. What you are promoting, your channel like this, you have to specify in a particular niche, and YouTube will get you audience that have interest in your niche, right? Let me say your niche. Let me use something like, if you're talking about cooking online, everything about your channel is cooking. The audience that will be coming, subscribing to your channel, watching our audience that they have interest about cooking, and that is what actually make them to convert to you, cooking. So suddenly now, if you just make a video and talking about how to be teaching online, remote job or things like that, they may not have interest. Some will see, they will not even watch it, because the audience YouTube gave you, based on how they rank your channel, they are audience that have interest in cooking. So I'm talking about my own experience, what actually affected me. I don't want it to affect you. That's why I'm telling you this now. Let's know what you are doing about your channel, what you want to specify on, so that you can have the right audience that will value your content. All right, don't say today you talk about affiliate marketing, talking about, and tomorrow you're talking about car crash, plane crash, and something, it doesn't relate. Stay in one way that people will respect you for that, and the kind of little audience you have will be audience. So it's not by population. You can have audience that's not up to 50, and you'll be making substantial amount of money from affiliate marketing. So it's very, very good when you are making content. Know the kind of content you'll be making. When you see that you want to be making content based on affiliate offer, be watching video based on that thing, so that you know how to create your own video. And by the time you may have created video about this now, YouTube will bring your audience. Only one person can just come to your video like this and be watching video, and they will have this, they will come and they will go to exactly what you tell, where you tell them to click on the link. They will click it, they will buy it, and at the end now you see that you have gotten up to $50. So I will be making video based on this constantly. I'll be making video based on this affiliate marketing, how you can do it the right way, not what people are telling you online. That will never work. I'm telling you, Rifat, this is what can work. Now I know you can pay, and if you pay for promotion the right way, and many people will not even tell you where you can do the promotion the right way to get, but I'm still going there. But let's start from the free method, because majority of you don't have money for the paid information or paid strategy to do affiliate marketing. So let's start from the free method to do affiliate marketing without paying a dime, and you'll be getting your conversion steadily. It depends on how you serious with this and your consistency with content creation. So this is what I have for you guys. And one more thing I want you to know is, it's not compulsory for you to have be showing your face like this. It's not compulsory, because many of you don't have what it takes to have a good background or many things like that, the gadgets, or many don't have it. Start by faceless. It's not compulsory for you to be showing your face. You can do faceless. Even when I started, I was using only phone, right? Only phone to train people how to do this, how to do that. And please, it's very, very important, if you have your laptop, especially if you want to be talking about this aspect, try to get a laptop. Please, it's very, very important. And if you don't have a laptop, you can start from anywhere, guys. So I have many more to be giving you in my next upcoming videos. You will learn a lot. I'm putting you through step on how to be successful with affiliate marketing. So thank you guys. If you are watching for the very first time, either from Facebook or YouTube, make sure you follow this page or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like on this video. Drop your comment, very, very important, and share this video. Then please check the comment, the pinned comments where you can join our community on WhatsApp group, and Telegram. I want you to join us there because I'll be doing my giveaway there very soon, so that you can be part of us and you will be updated with the information I share time to time. So now, if you have interest in how to create your YouTube, right? How to create your YouTube, everything about YouTube, every knowledge about YouTube, go and watch this video. If you want to learn means of making money online, go and watch this video. All right, you want free money, free grants, and many other things like that, go and watch this video. And this is a new video. Thank you guys, I love you. See you in my next video.